Um, I wasn't able to show the data privacy context, but um, I'll be having this meeting recorded for sole purpose of education. And this meeting, the recorded session will only be viewed by the students for the students. And also, I'll be providing the link for this one because this will be uploaded through my YouTube account. It's a vlog that space. Um, but this link, our recorded session, will be only be shared through a certain link, and it's not publicly available. Okay, so kindly accept the prompt that allow this session to be recorded for you to move forward to our online session. So, kindly wait lang din. As I check. Sorry for the environment noise because I'm in a cafe, so just bear with me. Last progress attendance. Okay, so wait, where is my intro? Just open an old intro one um, class account, so you would be able to view. Because I will be editing pa our big sky. Okay, I'll just open an old intro. Okay, so intro one uh, is a course for interior design students, or it's a subject that talks about freehand drawing. Okay, so this is more of scale-oriented type of subject that I will be teaching you how to do line weights, how to use your pen and paper. So everything will not be digital, but more of a manual drawing. Although for intro to the next course, if you pass this course, uh, we automatically will be enrolled in intro to. Dun naman, I will be teaching you. If you will still be my students, for in my class, I also teach them how to use Procreate. Any one of you have been using Procreate? The one on iPad? Yes, okay. It's Iya. Okay, thank you, Iya. Caitlin also knows how to do Procreate, and there's okay. Natasha also knows how to use Procreate. Okay, that's good. Okay, good. So Um, it's actually digital in format, but you're still using your hand as a tool for drawing. So still has the same context. Somehow it's the same context because Indra one teaches us our muscle and eye and muscle memory through eye and brain connection. So meaning what you see, you have to draw, especially for those activities that we'll be doing. Like back in the school days, I graduated in University of Santo Tomas, and we already even drew the main building under the sun. So you really have to develop your skill in drawing because that part of your skill or the part of the brain that you're using would also help you develop your creative spot, especially if you have an idea and you really need to sketch it in a quick way. This type of skill course is really necessary. Okay, so wait, kindly wait for my. So we have 21 students enrolled in this class. This is FDIN 1A, right? So this is your any one of you have like any one of you here is a second course or a shifter from other courses? Hands up. or use the mic, please? Or all are fresh students coming from senior high? Okay, all are fresh students coming from senior high. So, um, maybe next meeting, if we will have a face, yeah, hopefully we'll have a face to face. We'll meet each other physically and we'll discuss more of our backgrounds. But okay, let me introduce myself first. I'm interior designer Mark Madalaria, and I've been uh, in the business of interior design for 15 to almost 16 years now. I graduated Bachelor of Science in Interior Design in University of Santo Tomas back in 2005, and I already took the board exam in the same year. So I'm a licensed interior designer since 2005, and I've been teaching since 2019 in College of St. Peniel. This is my only school that I'm teaching, and I'm teaching drawing, philosophy of design, and theories of design. Um, Partly before I already taught on professional practice because I'm one of the professor who chose the professional track than the academic track. So we were asked if you will be part of the faculty kasi you will be asked to be what type of professor. Are you a practicing designer who wants to teach, or are you an academic who does more of research? So I'm practicing and I'm teaching as well. Okay. Is that So let me share my screen. Okay. So this is an old format for online modality, but it has similarity siguro. I'll just edit some of it. Um, where is it? Sorry. Yeah. So if you can see on your screen, this is Indra 1 FBIN 1A 2022, I think. Yes. So we have 12 weeks. Okay, technically we have 14 weeks, but part of it I've condensed already. So you will have like sometimes there are like weeks that we will have an extension of a certain activities. Okay, especially for those we will be doing an urban sketching kasi. So we will be doing it outside and copying a certain scene in the urban environment. Okay, so week one or the week one will be actually next week na move natin. But today, we will be talking about the requirements. Okay. So what to expect if you would see. So what to expect, you learn in this course, you will be learning line values, line weights, the hand and eye coordination. Yes, that's what I'm telling earlier. The muscle memory on drawing and sketching, and then developing textures, shading, effects through manual rendering or manual drawing, developing freehand sketch confidence for an idea presentation, and incorporating scale proportion in drawing while envisioning and sound space. So most of you has been wondering bakit pa rin 'to pinag-aaralan, sir? We're already in the digital age. Apparently, PRC or the Professional Regulatory Commission under the Board of Interior Design is still there's still a requirement for manual drawing compared to architecture who does actually wala na ata silang drawing, I'm not sure ha. But in our board exam, we have 3 days of board exam, and on the third day in our batch, dun gagawin yung drawing. Some batches ginawa ang drawing on the first day, and then all theoretical or all um other subjects na ano lang, parang multiple choice will be done on the second and the third day. Okay. So it's a requirement still for us to have a learning or for you guys to have to um be instilled or be educated on how to do or how to improve your manual drawing. Okay. So how does this work? So this course is a combination of face-to-face and online, just in case. Ito na pala yung ano, combination na pala tong class na to, 2020. Okay, so what are the requirements? So we'll be talking about the requirements. So you guys kindly fulfill all this requirement, okay? Kasi kakailanganin nyo siya sa course natin. So sketchpad or sketchbook, okay? There could be a sketchpad na napipil, or there's a sketchbook. Sometimes there's a book type, a portrait type. It's okay also. The sketchpad or sketchbook in A3 size paper, okay? A3 size of paper or A3 size papers, portfolio folder, okay? So you can use a loose A3 size of paper with a GSM of 200 to 250 or above, okay? Pero mahal na kasi yung mga 300, masyado na yung makapal. So, um, A3 size tayo. Basically, we need an A3 size, at least 200 to 250 grams. Don't use tracing paper, because tracing paper, you will be using that on InDraft. So I know all of you also are enrolled in InDraft kasi magkasabay ito. Si InDraft, you will be taught doing drafting. So meaning yung mga plan, how to create floor plan, how to create reflected ceiling plan, how to create elevations. Everything will be done in a very concise manner, meaning it's not freehand. In this class, we're doing more of a sketchy, we have to improve. Even if we don't have uh straight edge or a ruler, we can do straight lines. We have to teach our muscle. Ah, papasok na naman. Okay, guys, kindly wait for me. Kailangan ko lang i-move yung car again. Okay? Okay, I'm back. Sorry. So, I just reparked the car. So these are the course requirements. Okay, so you need to also have a varying pencil hardness. So if you guys know this type of pencil, so normally ang brand na maganda for this type of pencil are Staedtler or Rotring. Okay, there are also Rotring. I don't know if still available, but Staedtler or Faber-Castell are available in the market, especially in National Bookstore. So varying pencil hardness. Okay, if you do pencil hardness, you don't need to complete all of the pencil hardness. You can use like, for example, here's an example on the apostrophe. So kindly take note na lang din, baka gusto niyo nang mamili mamaya because I'll still be editing your Big Sky. So that's 2H, and then H, a B, and a 2B. Okay? Pwede yan. These are examples. So why do we need varying type of hardness of pencil? Because ang isang pencil minsan, like um, the normal type of pencil, okay, yung softness ng lead niya, hindi siya ganun kalambot. But, kumbaga nasa middle siya. So normally, ito yung F or H, okay? If you chose F, that's already okay. If you choose H, that's also okay. But don't do isang F and then isang H. Kasi parehas lang halos yung hardness na nagagawa niyan sa drawings natin. Okay? If you want to do like 2H and then 3H and then H, okay lang. 2H or 4H and then H, okay. Mag-skip kayo parate ng, like for example, 246, okay, H, and then 246 then na B, and then 1H. Ganyan. Lagi siyang may skip. Huwag nyo nang masyadong magkakalapit yung numbers. Okay? And then, same thing with pens. Okay, sa pen naman natin, ang requirement, normally, magsasabi rin yan si Miss, yung drafting nyo, si Miss Tagay. I don't know if kung sinong professor nyo sa interior design drafting, but the professor would also inform you to use a certain pen. Okay? Okay lang sa akin mag-skip din. So if you're buying point 0.1, then go the next pen that you'll be buying is point 0.3, and the next pen will be point 0.5, and the next pen will be point 0.7 or point 0.8. Okay? Mas makapal na pang border na 'yon. Okay? So, 'yun, hindi mo naman kailangan i-complete yung buong set. But if you're getting a good price for a complete set, then why not, 'di ba? I mean, if there are already a lot of uh people selling complete set na in a package, okay? And then you would also be needing pencil shader, okay? A pencil shader is like para siyang, it's like pen. It's no, it's like a pencil, but it's made of rolled paper. Okay, you can ask also it. You can ask it, or you can Google it on para makita niyo yung pencil shader or yung pang blender yun. Ang tawag ng shader or blender. Okay, it's for doing shading, for shadows. Okay, yung pag-add ng texture natin, gagamitin yan. Or kung ayaw niyo bumili nun, the old school tayo, gamit tayo ng Q-tips or the buds, the earbud, Johnson buds. Okay, can you also use that? Okay. That's for spreading the graphite. Okay, yung pinaka-dulo ng lead, ng pencil. And then you would also be needing 45 by 45 triangle and 30 by 60 triangle. Although, no, it's not a major requirement for Indro 1. Mas in draft to. Pero pwede natin magamit to, especially if we will be doing 3D forms already. Okay, a T-square, not a requirement for Indro 1, but it could help, especially if you'll be preparing the plate, yung pinaka border niya, you need a ruler, of course. Okay, eraser and kneaded eraser. So what's the difference between the two? An eraser is a regular rubber eraser. Okay, a kneaded eraser looks like a clay. Okay, a kneaded eraser looks like a clay na namumold mo siya, tapos kaya siya kneaded eraser because you can knead it. Okay, knead as in Knead. Knead. Okay, you can manipulate the form of it. You can make it yung tip niya mas manipis, mas makapal, and then pang ano siya, pangkuha siya ng excess graphite or excess pencil dun sa drawing paper niyo, drawing areas. And then a lamp or a source of artificial lighting kasi we'll be doing shading and shadow exercise soon. So, di pa, sabihan ko sa inyo kung kailan kayo magdadala ng portable lamp, okay? There are also lights din naman in school that we could use. There are also lamps, pero if it's that would be easier for you if you bring your own lamp. Kasi i-manipulate niyo yung casting ng shadow through a certain object. Okay. And then drawing journal. Okay, this is a requirement. We need to have a drawing journal, at least A5. So A5 is half of a bond paper. Okay, A4, diba? Typical A4 size, parang short size bond paper siya. You fold it into two, that's A5. Okay, we need a drawing journal. Sir, baka saan yung drawing journal? We already have plates. So the drawing journal will be like a diary. It's what we call the drawing diary, wherein you are required to doodle. You are required to do sketches, anything under the sun. Okay, every week I need to see you practice everything there. You do your swatching of pencil, you do your swatching of your color palettes, you do your swatching of like what uh do your exercises of doodling, do your exercises of doing lines and everything before you complete and do it on your plate requirement. Before mo siya ma-perfect sa plate, nag-practice ka muna na nag-practice sa drawing journal nyo. Because this journal is the story or your narrative as a designer in creating manual drawings, okay? If you've thought of an idea, you see it, you saw a chair, you're in a cafe, okay? I want to copy that chair. Instead of just taking photo of it, try to sketch it. Okay, we need to learn how to appreciate beautiful things and improve our learning of drawing. Okay, and what else? Course requirement. Okay, if in case this type of modality will continue, we would be needing a computer or a laptop. Okay, so if you have iPad or even a phone is okay na naman. The headset and microphone. This is for the online modality, mix modality. Okay, so I'll be placing this requirements also on Big Sky for you to um check on it. But if you've noted it already, it's easier kasi baka mamaya ko pa siya ma-upload. Okay, and then what? Let's communicate. Okay, communication. Okay, there will be feedbacks even during your drawing class. Okay, I will be roaming around the class. Okay? Tinitingnan ko yung mga ginagawa ninyo. I'll be checking like for example, Mark din yung name. Kunyari, Mark, huwag masyadong diinan yung pencil. Masyadong nag-smudge to, ganyan. So I'll be doing it. Okay? And then I'll be giving you a certain direction on how you have to complete your plates or have to improve your plates. Okay? At the end of each activity, dati nagagawa ako ng, I'll show you a sample. Do I have it here? Wait. Gumagawa ako ng best plate. Best plate for... Yeah, sige, I'll show it to you na lang on our face-to-face class. I'll show it to our screen soon. Okay? So meron siya mga best plate activity. So these are I'll show you some of the project submissions. I show you some of the Yeah. So these are the examples of the activities we'll be doing. Okay. Luma pa to. Okay. Line exercises, shading exercises. You'll be doing that. So at least you have an idea what to expect in this type of class. Okay. There. Pointily, stippling, dots. Okay. You'll be copying this. Geometric forms. Toning and shading exercises. Okay. Urban sketching, interior sketching. Okay. Shading. So in this class, kung mapapansin nyo, sir, puro black and white. Yes. Intro 1 is, hindi pa to ha, nag-iba na tong mga ano, requirement. Hindi na ganyan yung requirement ko sa finals. Okay. Intro 1 do it achromatic. Okay, does it achromatic. Achromatic meaning there's no color, there's no chroma. All of our submissions are in black and white. So if you will also be using markers, if you want to use markers to some of our midterms, I know, hindi siya requirement sa finals, it's okay, but it should be black and white. Okay, unless magkaroon ng collaboration with any one of you taking up color theory now. Meron ba sa inyo? Kindly use the mic. Wala. Or any color classes. Let's see what will happen if there will be a collaborative finals. Okay. Yun. I think I've already discussed everything. Okay. So activity heads up. Since wala tayong class today, this is a 5-hour class. Our class starts at 8 in the morning, and then our class starts at 8 in the morning and we end up around 1:20, I think, in the afternoon. So I need you guys to submit on time the plate. There are plates na gagawin talaga ng morning at tatapusin siya ng 1 p.m. Okay? There are plates na pwede natin ituloy. Okay? So I'll be informing you then during the class kung kailangan ito ng quick type of sketch or kailangan yung mag-submit kagad within the day. Okay? You guys have any questions? There will be an upload also for uh, an intro video of me, so showing some of my works. But you can check the works, my works as an interior designer on Instagram, on my Instagram account, on my official Instagram account. It's Mark That Space, MarkThatSpace. Mark That Space. Kindly check, follow, like if you want. Mark That Space in Instagram. Also, you can check on my page in Facebook, Mark That Space, and Behance. If you guys are using Portfolio online, Behance/designer Marky Madula. Okay. Do you guys have any questions, clarifications, or other queries for this course? Any questions? Kindly use your mic, guys, please. So let me check if you guys are here. Class list. So Alegre. Ngayon lang ako nag-check ng ano. So hindi naman kailangan yung attendance now. So I just, for those who are here, kindly just inform me if you're here. Alegre, are you here? Almira? Use the mic please kasi hindi ko nakikita yung thumbs up. Ayan, check natin. Ay, wait, hindi ito yung class ko. Ay, ito nga ba? Yeah, ito nga ba. Sure, it's not working. Okay. Ancheta, are you here?
Present po.
Atienza. Oh, there's another Atienza. There's a Atienza. May student down na Atienza before. Anna Atienza.
Present po.
Okay. Princess Bantile,
Present
you're here. Okay. Craig Banzon.
Present po.
Hi, Craig. Olivia Bermudo.
Present po.
Hi, Olivia. Sid Andre Bernardino.
Present po.
Hi, Sid. Sophia Isabel Bugawan. Do I pronounce it correctly?
Yes, it's correct po.
Hi, Sophia. Welcome to Intro 1. Jessica Amber Chan.
Present po.
Hi, Jessica. Julian Chong. Oh, Chong. I have a big
Present
client.
po.
I have a big
Really?
client na Chong ang surname.
Oh,
Are you from Caloocan area?
no, I'm near Quiapo.
Ah, Quiapo. I have Chong clients, one of my big clients. Anyway, Caitlin Clavano. Caitlin Clavano. Are you here? No, you're not here. Okay. John Matthew Clemente.
Present po.
Hi, John. Harvey Cortez.
Present po.
Hi, Harvey. Natasha Diaz.
Present po.
Hi, Natasha. Sophia D. Oh, we have two Sophias now. Hi, Sophia D. Are you here? No, she's not here. Angelina Edanol.
Present po.
Hi, Angelina. Maria Antonia Galian. Okay. Sofia Alexandra Gardos.
Present po.
Hi, Sofia. Janica Go.
Present po.
And then Luis Go.
Present po.
We have two Gos here. And Arian Gobaco.
Present po.
Okay, hi. So we have a good number of girls versus the guys. So guys, magstay naman kayo. Kasi mostly nawawala na ubus kagad yung mga guys. Ang dami namang mga lalaki na magagaling designers and thinkers. Remember that kindly do not brand interior design as a course or as a profession that's only for girls. Most great interior designers are guys as well. They are thinkers because you are actually manipulating the human behavior in a space. You're not just merely decorating. Okay, especially for installations. There are great interior designers who are who knows how to manipulate human behavior in a space through interior design. Okay, so keep it in the course. Dapat inspired kayo hanggang sa matapos. Okay, do you guys have any questions or clarifications regarding the requirements for Intro 1? Yes, Caitlin, you can.
Hello, sir. Sorry, I couldn't unmute earlier.
Okay. It's okay. Do you have questions?
So what is your Instagram account again?
Instagram account is Mark That Space, MarkThatSpace. Mark That Space Interior Design Solutions. It's the name is Mark That Space, but I think the name is Making Awesome Spaces. That was my hashtag. Okay.
Thank
You
you,
can
sir.
check some of my works there. Or you could, the same name, wala siyang space, Mark That Space, sunod-sunod siya on Facebook. You can also check some of my works there. Angelina Edanol, do you have any question?
Course requirements, may ma-recommend po ba kayo na place na pwede namin pagdalhan? Which,
Sir, can you,
specifically if it's student-friendly yung budget po.
hindi ko marinig yung
Sorry,
voice.
sir, nasa conflated po kasi ako.
Okay, sige. So, malinaw ba yung voice ko kanina? Baka hindi
Yes
rin.
po.
Okay, so what's your question again?
Mag-ask lang po ako if meron po kayo ma-recommend na place to buy the requirements po.
Okay.
Specifically if it's student budget friendly po.
Okay, student budget friendly price. I think sanay na kasi sila. Try to check